Hey guys, this is Erna Palic, Cage Muscle Athlete. So today I'm going to walk you through my glute workout, so follow along. So today we're going to warm up, and this is my first warm-up exercise with glute activation. Glute activation exercises should be included in your warm-up to get your glutes ready and activated for the bigger exercises. You plan on doing your workout so that your lower back doesn't try to take over. Alright guys, so set number 1 is done. You're going to do for about 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps each. Alright guys, so I just did hip thrusts, 4 sets, so about 10 to 15 reps, and I usually use this pad for when I work out. I put it on the bar. The rest time between these exercises is 60 to 120 seconds, so 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, so that was cable kickbacks, 4 sets, about 8 to 10 reps. So those are cable pull-throughs. I did 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. This is a variation of a goblet squat. I used a cable. We did 4 sets of about 8 to 12 reps each. Alright guys, so that wraps up my glute workout. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe.